All right, we're gonna make a hammer fist cucumber salad for my dad. Last night we were making it and I neglected to add the ginger, so we've got ginger today. So anyway, first thing you do, you grab your cucumber, English cucumber. It's a massive cucumber, take your hammer fist. Mash it. As you go, start to release the joyous part of the cucumber. Vaporizes it a bit too. Anyway, so we're getting into sizes. It's my old pastry knife from Brussels. However you want, whichever size. Dad likes to eat them kind of chunks. So anyway, end up with that. Shovel them into here. This is a pretty big cucumber. I hope my vessel is going to be okay. It's pretty tight. It's going to be fine as long as we get some shaky room. Shaky shake. Cucumber water in there. Delicious. Deliciousness, yes. Alright. And the reason we have the knife, because we have some other things we have to actually cut. So we're gonna whack up the coriander. I like to use the stems and all. They add a little bit of flavor and texture. In Thailand, they use the stems and the somtom. And it's another world. Kicks it up a notch, I think. Okay. Nice, fine. That's all right. A little bit of that. Okay. There's my little rag here. What else goes in here? So, got ginger. You can scrape off the back. You can scrape it off a little bit if you like. Skin. I don't always. But something like that, or you can just chop it up or mash it, however you want to do it. But this really adds a new level to these cucumbers. So, julienne, and then to a tiny little mirepoix, brunoise, excuse me. Okay. And kind of do the same thing. Garlic, a little bit of a mash. Garlic's a little stale today. What can you do? So we got there's more garlic cucumbers anyway. Okay. Do a fine haché. Add that in there. A few chunks. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. A little bit of sugar. Okay. Some soy. Lots of soy. So, du huile orientale, sesame, open sesame. And I don't have any chilies tonight, so we're not doing chilies. We're just going straight like this. Then you put the lid on, which is right here. Let me know if I forgot anything. There you go. You have hammer fist cucumbers.